Assalamu alaikum everybody. I am sure you are doing great by the grace of Allah Almighty. Welcome to MK Mini TV channel of yours. And here are we today celebrating the Labor Day, that is the May Day. And May Day is famous, known around the world, but we are not very well always sure about the history. So I'm very much keen, as you know, to tell you what is behind it. The day is dedicated to the workers and laborers across the world, is also called the International Day of Workers or International Labor Day. May Day celebrates laborers and encourages them to be aware of their rights. International Labor Day on 1st May is a public holiday in many countries. The International Labour Organization, a United Nations agency which works towards setting international labour standards, in a report released on the World Day for Safety and Health at Work, said countries need to put in place sound and resilient occupational safety and health systems that would minimize the risks of everyone in the world at the work which is at threat or the life threat of the people who are working. Labor Day or May Day honors the hard work of people across the world and celebrates their achievements. Labor Day has its origins in the labor union movement in the United States in the 19th century. In United States, Canada, Labor Day is however celebrated on the first Monday in September, honoring workers and contributing to the society. Let me tell you what happened in 1989 and then lastly when it actually took place in 1889. In 1889, a body of socialist groups and trade unions in the US designated May 1st as a day for workers. This was in remembrance of the Haymarket riots in Chicago in 1886 when a labor protest rally turned violent after someone threw a bomb at the police. According to the history, the combat least remained there and took the lives of 8 people at least, which died at the result of the violence of the day. Despite a lack of evidence against them, 8 radical labor activists were convicted. May 1 in Europe has historically always been linked with the rural traditions, farmers' festival, but International May Day is associated with the modern Labor Day movement. So, this is a little brief about the history of Labor Day. Let's dedicate our day to the laborers, the workers around us, and give them the best benefit which we can, not only today but always, by caring for them, by giving them a lot which we can, not through the monetary means always. A smile and thanks makes a difference. So, thank you very much, all the laborers, workers. We are with you because you work hard, and that's the benefit and the fruits which we all are benefited and we enjoy. Thank you. Happy Laborers Day, and let's celebrate at our own end by giving some nice thing to somebody who is in our vicinity. Take care. Keep watching MK Mini TV, which brings in variety of things for you. Bye bye.